Right, what's up, traders? Happy Wednesday. Welcome. So we're going to do a little bit of some live trading. I see what I'm actually seeing in the markets this morning. We've had some massive moves. So just looking at the DAX, one of my best tickers from last month. We've had over a 450-point move from downside to the highs today. So going to be quite interesting. So before we get into it, the stream is sponsored by Hydra Funding. Right, we're going to do some trading on my actual Hydra accounts on the C-Trader platform. Go over the dashboard, see where I'm at on some of the challenges that I got with them, and then we can take it from there, right? But at the moment, I do like the Nasdaq long continuations as well as the DAX. So I'm actually going to put a position. We're trading off previous day's highs. I'm actually going to put a position on my Hydra 25K challenge. So if we come here to my main, let's come over here. This is my main 25K account. I've also got a 50K account that I haven't started on yet, but we are going to get into it. This is what the Hydra dashboard does look like. Very, very neat, very easy. As you can see, I've been trading for a while. We can see my profit target. I've got to make, so this is the one-step account of them. I've got to make 27,500, so $2,500. 10% is a profit target with a 6% static drawdown. It's one phase, right? And I'm currently up $1,000, so just over 4% in profit. And you can actually see I've also linked it to my dashboard here on TradeZilla. As you can see, I started this in, when did I start this one? Yeah, beginning of October, actually. So I've been going for a little bit of a month, actually end of September. So I've been going over it for about a month now, which is really, really neat. And I'll keep on making once a week. I'm going to come here and trade in the London session. This is in the London session prior to the New York session. But you can use James for a 10% discount off any Hydra challenge, as you can see on the banner coming across the screen. The link is in my bio to Hydra Funding's website as well. But yeah, running some challenges at the moment. I'm actually going to place a long. So this is what the C-Trader platform does look like. They do offer C-Trader. I would recommend C-Trader. I do prefer it. And it's pretty easy to use. So I'm actually going to place a long position on C-Trader. C-Trader is very user-friendly as well. So let's get, this is how you can see the spreads here on the left-hand side. Pretty neat that they use GUI trade. So let's go to my settings. Let's go to a market buy side, and let's risk $200, right? On this 25K account. As you can see, it's my 25K account. I'm up on 26,087.63. And you can see over here, it says the same one on my account balance here, 26,080. So it's the same account, right? We're going to risk $200, which is just under 1% on this 25K account. And let's click OK. Round it up. Let's get my stop loss maybe at the lows here. So we'll have a 9, over there. Let's round it up. And let's hit, as you can see, my rewards $230, risk $200. Let's hit buy here. So I'm in the trade here, and I really do like the C-Trader platform. Very user-friendly. I personally use MetaTrader, and then I use it on, I trade copy to a lot of accounts. But sometimes when I just want to take it on 1 or 2 accounts, I actually come on the C-Trader platform. Very user-friendly. And as you can see in the trade here at the moment on my Hydra account. So see, here we go. You can see the spreads on the left-hand side. As you can see, I've just taken a trade on the German 40, or other known as the DAX, right? So pretty neat. We'll see how I get along here. But as you can see, very nice dashboard. I do like it. You can see max total loss. I can only lose 6% of this account. And then max daily loss is 5%. So how the challenges go with Hydra is you can get a 2-step or a 1-step, right? You can actually come over here. You can get a 2-step or a 1-step. So let's go over here. You can get a 2-step or 1-step. So the 1-step Forex account is a max drawdown of 6%, max daily drawdown of 5%, and a profit target of 10%, right? And then I would select the C-Trader account. And then the 2-step one, you can have a 9% total drawdown static, daily drawdown of 5%, but then you got 2 phases. You're going to make 8% and then 5%, right? And then they also do offer crypto accounts. So for you crypto degens as well, they also do offer some crypto accounts too, which is really, really cool. You got the 1-step crypto and then the 2-step crypto as well. So very, very neat. And you got a wide variety of crypto accounts to choose from there. So yeah, we got some longs here on the DAX. I do like the longs, of course. We've taken out previous day's highs, and they actually did do a giveaway with edge fill. And you guys know that I love using edge fill. So if you come here to the DAX, if DAX, let me go year to date. Let's see if we can just get this refreshed here and working. Okay, let's go to FDAX here year to date. When we take out the previous day's highs, actually very, very interesting. When we take out the previous day's highs, year to date on the DAX, on a Wednesday, 100% of the time we close as a bullish closing day. So now that we've taken out previous day's highs, which is this white dotted line coming across the screen, right? I'm going to look for extended longs, pullback, and I'm looking for some longs there like that. So we're in at, on the DAX here, on that 25K Hydra challenge, which I'm up 4% at the moment. So let's see if we can get some extended longs here. That would be very, very neat, right? Let's just come here to my account. And as you can see, that's the position in there at the moment. So C-Trade, a very, very neat platform. And again, you can get a discount on any Hydra account using the code James, right? They offer a wide variety of indexes. As you can see, the DAX, the Nikkei, the NASDAQ, S&P, and the Dow, and very, very neat. So you can actually even favorite them, like add them to the new watch list and everything like that. The C-Trade accounts I do prefer. As mentioned, if I come in, I'm mostly like copy trading these, but if I'm coming and trading each individual account individually, C-Trade is the one that I use. I also got the better spreads on C-Trader too. Any questions? Let's use in the chat here. I'm going to be trading live. Obviously, this is 2 hours pre-market, pre-US Open. So I'm going to be trading live on ASFX TV as well today. And this is just some pre-market prep, right? Some pre-market prep and trading of my Hydra accounts. So I do want to, yeah, let me know if you've got any questions. I've been slapping DAX like a mamba. What's up, Darren? Good to have you on, dude. Yeah, you've been slapping DAX like a mamba, right? Let's have a look here. So I want to go over a few things as well. Just I did share this with our private mentorship, the Black Shirt Club as well. But a lot of guys having one guy that I really, really do respect in the space is Jared Tendler, right? With the mental game of trading. And sometimes, you know, there's two things here that let's try and find it here. Let me find it. I'll send it through to my Discord. You guys can get up. But any questions here in the live chat at the moment? You can see I'm currently up on this trade here on the DAX. It looks very, very neat coming into the New York session too. I might look to get along with my other accounts as well. But this is just specifically on this account with Hydra funding. They use QE Trade, C-Trade account. And as you can see, this is the account that is linked to my Hydra 25K. I'm up $1,000 at the moment, and I've got to get to 2,500 to pass this. And then it's a one step. So it's 10% max static drawdown, as mentioned. You have a one step and a two step, right? The one step, you got 6% static drawdown, profit target of 10%. Two step, you got fixed drawdown, static drawdown of 9%, but then you got to make 8 and then 5. And DY has come on stream and openly said that the one step is more, easier to pass in terms of the statistics that they are getting. So just keep that in mind. But let's go to, I wanted to send you some Jared Tendler stuff and go over this on stream as well. So let's just get that up. Here we go. Got it. Okay, so let's get that sent through. And for those that don't know who Jared Tendler is, he's a mental trading coach, right? Let's bring him up. He's got some great stuff on his blog post. I'm going to be trading on ASFX TV later on today, so just keep that in mind as well at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, right? Let's go here. Let's go to my trade at the moment. You can see I'm up $28 at the moment. It's quite a nice entry on this position. This is just a 25K count. I'm going to look to get some additional funding with them too. But yeah, as you can see, I'm in at 19,364, but we at the moment, the price we're at 19,385. So up 20 points at the moment. There we go. Okay, so let's do this as well. So this is Jared Tendler right over here. He speaks a lot about the mental game of trading, and you guys will hear me on my streams always mention him as well. He's got a YouTube channel, so very neat. But let's go over here. Let's do this. Right. Like that. So clean. I've spoken why I do like the longs on this. But this is Jared Tendler here, right? The mental game of trading. You can actually check his blog posts over here. But his book, The Mental Game of Trading, is the one that I really, really do enjoy. And as you can see over here, there's two ones that I want to share with you guys, right? The pain of losing. So losing is painful. So losing sucks, and some traders reflectively try to avoid the pain of it, similar to how they would have immediately, instinctively limped to avoid the pain of a badly sprained ankle. The fear of losing, there are better ways to reduce the pain of losing, but on some level, for people who are highly competitive, the pain will always be there. It will never feel good, and that's fine. The goal then becomes more about how to handle the pain. Since you'll never eliminate the pain of losing entirely, just learn to push through it. So I think he speaks a lot about this. A lot of traders come on and say you need to avoid pain in trading and everything like that. It's just not possible. So again, like over here, so this book helped me a lot. Also, yeah. Trying to win in a qualitative way like this will never replace the priority of winning money. But you're reading this section because your competitiveness is out of control. It causes you to lose more. You can't control whether you win or lose money day to day, but you can control your execution, focus, and improvement. Be competitive towards the right things. So from a day-to-day perspective, you don't know if you're going to make money each and every single day, right? But you can control if you do your daily report cards, you do your reviewing, you follow your playbook. Right, a lot of this, what I'm working with the guys now in our private mentorship is our actual playbooking of our trades. Right, what trades are we taking? Are we taking trades that are based on our playbook? Right, and then again, he also speaks about in some of his blog posts here. He speaks a lot about the interim program, the interim concept. You got to bring up the back end to extend the front end, and I speak a lot about this in our own with our own traders. Is that a lot of traders, they look like this. They trade well, make one, let's just say, and then all of a sudden, let's say your average winning days 100. So they have 100 days, and then all of a sudden they have a losing day that loses 500 and negates 2 weeks of losses. So it's just not great, right? It's just not great. But over here, the interim concept. So I encourage you. I'll put this in the chat here too, but I do encourage you to go and check Jared Tendler out. Really, really some good stuff. Right. So let's go back to our trade. We're down in the negative now, but you can see the spreads are pretty solid on the Hydra funding platform. Here's my spread, 19,360, 362. So 1 point on the DAX. The NASDAQ is literally 1.5 points, and the S&P 500 is less than a point. And the Dow is 3 points, 2 points, right? So pretty neat spreads here with Hydra. Very, very neat dashboard too. Right, very neat dashboard. As mentioned, I'm running a 25K account with him at the moment, as well as a 50K account, and I'm going to keep you updated. This is his 25K account that I've linked here to TradeZella. I've been trading with it for over a month now, and going pretty neat. So yeah, go check Hydra funding out. There's in the CFD space where a lot of traders are, getting denied payouts and everything like that. They are solid. They always have been. Their founder Cameron Foose has been in the trading industry for a very, very long time. So, yeah, go check them out on socials too. They are running a competition at the moment. I don't know if you can still sign up for it too, but yeah, very, very neat platform. And I think that if you're looking for a CFD firm, they are definitely one of the top ones that I would be looking at. So again, you can use James for a discount on any Hydra funding account, right? As you can see, this is them over here, right? Very underrated firm in my opinion. Very underrated firm in my opinion. So go check them out. But yeah, okay, so let's go back here. So as you can see, very neat spreads. I've shown you the platform. If I was to buy an account with them, I would right now, as you can see, I'm already got an account. So if I was to buy account with them for the first time, it would be a C-Trade account. I've tried the MetaTrader accounts, and I didn't really, I preferred the C-Trade accounts over the MetaTrader accounts. So if I was you and wanting to buy account right now, C-Trader is the one. I've already got my C-Trader accounts. I've got a 25K and a 50K that I am running at the moment. So that is going to be my plans to get these over the line. I'm also running a few other accounts. So hopefully get quite a few over the line right now. And hopefully Hydra is next up in line. Darren says, I missed a long on back test of previous day's high, but I scalped shorts on the previous day. Okay, short towards the previous day. Okay, nice. Yeah, I do like the previous day's high trade, right? Where we've taken our previous day's high, bullish market structure, now looking for long in continuations. So yeah. Okay, cool. So we got some longs on the DAX here. As mentioned, I do like longs on the NASDAQ too. We're looking very, very bullish. Obviously, with the Trump win, we're looking very, very bullish here going into the US Open. But Tesla up 12, 13% pre-market. So things are looking very, very bullish here for us on the stock side of things. Again, so very, very neat. I've shown you the platforms that I would select with Hydra. I've selected C-Trader. I have tried the other ones, but I would select C-Trader. I'm running a 25K and a 50K at the moment, and my goal is to get these over the line, right? And I'm going to keep you updated. I've got some videos coming out with them, how I'm approaching them, my updates with them. So make sure to follow my YouTube too. The link is in my bio to my YouTube. But if you want any discount, I'm probably the only person that you can get discounts through with Hydra. 10% off for any Hydra funding challenge. 10% off for any Hydra funding challenge at the moment, as you can see. Banner coming across my screen, right? But we up on this trade at the moment. $32 is a 25K account as mentioned. But let's see. Cool, guys. I am going to be looking for longs, continue longs on DAX, continue longs on stocks, indexes. So we'll see what today brings. I'm trading live on ASFX TV as well, so make sure to check me there. But I hope you guys have a good Wednesday. Let's finish off the week strong, right? There's going to be some good opportunities leading into the rest of the sessions, yeah, right? And yeah, heading into next year too. Markets are great. Volatility can be tough, but also creates great opportunities. So have a good rest of the day. You can see how I use the C-Trader with Hydra funding, and I really, really do enjoy it. So make sure to go check it out, and we'll see you for my next live stream. We'll see every single week. I'm going to be doing a live stream with Hydra. Make sure to come check how my accounts are going. And also, I think it's a lot for you guys that are, looking to get funded too. Choosing a firm is the first and foremost thing. And again, I've said Hydra Funding is a great firm. They pay out, proven track record of paying out, and a very underrated firm in my opinion. Neat dashboard, very nice people behind it in Cameron Foose. And you can get a discount through me. So go check it out. We'll see you on the next one. And I am streaming on ASFX TV too. So we'll see you guys then.